So here's the geocache log, and I noticed, Bob, it says that someone grew up here but live in Georgia now, and they placed a TB and a geocoin here. What's a TB and a geocoin?
Geocoins you can get from various sources, and actually TB is more interesting because that stands for travel bug. And in both situations, a travel bug more than anything else is a little kind of a tag that you can affix to a small item. And the object is to see how far it will travel. Someone will take a travel bug out of a cache, and then they'll move it to another cache. It could be like a few miles away, it could be a few hundred miles away, or it could be on the other side of the world. And we kind of track, from where it starts to where it goes. In fact, myself, I had found one that was originally planted in Germany. Somebody flew into Newark Airport and then hit it there. Someone else took that, hit it in Kenilworth. I found it in Kenilworth a few months ago. And then I placed it actually someplace around here in Morris County.
Nice.
And then someone else subsequently took it someplace else, maybe down to South Carolina. So a lot of it travels all over the place.
Oh, neat. Thank you.